wheels. Wow. They say if you rub my belly, dreams come true.
Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm here today with my buddy Vaibhav, aka the Panda Collector. We're gonna be working on this 2018 Subaru today. Hey Vaibhav, you wanna introduce yourself to the guys a little bit?
Yeah, so this is my first time doing YouTube. I guess Alex has done a few videos in the past. Really appreciate him coming out, and he's been my boy for ages. We just really started hanging out for the last few years, and pretty much like every day when I'm home. I have a pretty hectic schedule. My Instagram is at Panda Collector. I usually use that platform a lot. YouTube, I have a channel, but I don't really have anything at the moment. But eventually Alex and I will start to put more videos once I start tracking the cars and such. But anyways, just a quick thing about me. I love cars, obviously. Back here I got the 2018 WRX. It's a CVT, and you know what? I love it. I wasn't supposed to mod it at all. I did. And we're gonna be doing up the car. Also have a 2011 Mercedes CL63 for those German fans, and 2014 C63, which is a 6.2 liter V8. Both those cars are dropped off at the shop. Aiming for, you know, 1,000 wheel horsepower each. That's my goal. But I also have a 2008 C350 4MATIC, which has been my first car ever in my life that I owned. So coming from a German world, I thought I'd pick up a WRX because it seemed to be a pretty fun car, and I thought maybe why not.
So that's why we're modding it today. We're going to be installing some new taillights to get rid of those bunk ass stock ones. These are from eBay, surprisingly.
eBay!
So we're gonna see how well they turn out, but from what I've been told, they're pretty reputable and a lot of good reviews on them. And Vaibhav said he's found them on YouTube and people have really liked them. So we're gonna see how we like them today. Also, we're doing another install today.
Yeah, this, I think it'll add a little touch to it. We're gonna install it, bud.
It ain't gonna be stickers, boys.
Yeah.
We got paddle shifters because, you know, like he said earlier, it's a CVT model. I know it's not a manual, it's okay.
Hey, if it's on the bend, it's gotta be on the CVT for me, bro.
Fair enough. But German car can have it, so can Japanese. So let's install these bad boys today.
Let's do it. Alright, so I applied the 3M. Just to let you know, you might find a little bit of overflow. It's eBay or Amazon, whatever. They're still good quality pieces. Anyways, don't forget, clean the surfaces of this. Apply the 3M. Well, before you do, just warm up the tape, which I did already. And now, the moment of truth. Alright, so I'm gonna try not to dink this up. How's that look on your side, bro?
Let's apply some pressure to it, make sure it sticks.
Yes, sir. By the way, if you look here, the way the paddle shifter is designed, it won't actually, like, that's just how it will go in. Like, that's in. So if you see the corner sticking out, that's just the design of the pedal shifter, and that's just how it is. Alright, we did the same thing on the right side, obviously, but let's put it on.
Then we're applying pressure.
There we go. Yeah. Make sure. And just remember, guys and girls, to dry fit these beforehand. These are actually apparently for the Forester, I want to say, because on Amazon it said these were for that car originally, but it also listed the WRX, and they actually fit. So yeah, we got the paddle shifters installed.
How do they feel?
Coming from the German world, these actually feel pretty legit. Reminds me of my C63 steering wheel, just the way you grasp it and feel the pedal shifters. So yeah, these feel actually pretty solid. Anyways, yeah, right now, these are pretty good. They're pretty solid. There's lots of room in between, like even if you gotta use your washer fluid, it doesn't bang into the pedal shifter. Thanks.
And then same with the turn signals, when you have to flash your high beams at guys that are being assholes.
So yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty solid. Guys, you can't go wrong with these. I think, like I said, these were like 30, I don't know, I forget. But they were, for what it is, pretty cheap. It's like full metal, and it actually feels like a really nice piece of material, like to hold. It's really good quality in my opinion. Like I said, I'm coming from the German world. I'm really picky, and in the future you'll see why I'm picky, because those cars are being built to the max potential. And that's why I'm modding the CVT, and hopefully to make this a pretty reliable, semi-powerful monster.
Alright, since now we're done doing the paddle shifters, we're gonna hop in the back into the trunk and start on them taillights. Okay guys, here we are. We're in the back of the WRX and we're gonna install these taillights. Shouldn't be too hard. If we can do it, you guys can too. Okay, so first things first, we gotta take off, there's 3 clips here, but we've already removed them. And then all you gotta do is lift up. And next part is, there's gonna be 3 bolts here.
Bolt clips.
It's easier, just all you gotta do is pop that thing out, fold it down, the flathead, and you should be able to take it out no problem.
Alright, so the next step is, remember you can, there's 1 clip right here, which we took off, as you saw. And I think that should be it. So, let's see. This is our first time actually doing this part.
So yeah, all you're going to do is stick your hand in there and unplug it.
These are nuts. There's 3 of them. And you want to make sure you get the
ratchet in there. It's an 8mm. And all you gotta do is there's 3 bolts in there. It's really hard to see with the camera. But all you gotta do is unbolt those and you should be able to pull the light out, no problem. So right now, we're pulling out the tail light to swap it out. I will tell you this, that little plastic rubber piece in there, you'll need some pliers to get to it because it is not fun. So we're gonna already loosened it off a little bit.
Just make sure you push it from the back. Just
and then right here, the tab, push down.
See that white tab, guys?
And you're out. So here's the stock one.
Yeah, the shitty old stock one.
And then here is the nice pretty eBay one.
Oh yeah.
so these apparently are supposed to be just plug and play, just like any other aftermarket taillight. So what you're gonna do is,
first of all,
this is literally just a plug and play. Plug in. And make sure you pull your wires through first though, because you don't want any of those on the outside if you're trying to put it in.
Awesome. And just make sure you give it a good love tap.
Okay guys, we finally installed the passenger tail light after a little complications. So here's the stock one. You know, boring old stock Subie. And here is the eBay special.
From V-Land.
From V-Land.
Oh yeah.
Not too shabby. Hey Vaibhav, hit the lights please.
Alright, coming right up, buddy.
Can you turn the 4-ways off please?
Sure.
Alright, so now we got a nice LED strip to match almost like the headlights. So here's a little before, which I mean, still nice. This just looks so much better. And it has a nice little smoked finish to it too. So now we're going to install the other side and we'll show you what it looks like when they're all done. Stay tuned.